paintball Flintlock pistol. Works great. Now we're going to give it a little bit of a charge here. Try again. And chrono it. We'll be using Marbleizer and a first strike round. See what they both do. Okay.
An inch back from the barrel, dude.
Yeah. 291. Now for the first strike round. Stick in there. These ones you have to breech load, not muzzle load. But see how this does. .300 on the dot.
Nice.
Okay, we're going to try and shoot him with this and a first strike round from here. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, good center mass shot.
Nice.
Hey, hold up. Okay, now we're going to try a Marbleizer. Good shot.